I've been craving chicken a lot, and I don't know about you guys. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm so excited. I'm sharing with you guys one of my most loved recipes, and that's how to make crunchy chicken. So if you really want to, learn how to make that, just in case you can't go to KFC just because of this whole quarantine, well, keep watching this video.
Alright guys, here are all of the ingredients we're going to be using. First off, I love to use chicken drums for my crunchy chicken, which I got from ShopRite. Next up, I'm going to be using some breadcrumbs. I'll put a link in the description box on how to make that. Also, we're going to be using some seasoning cubes and salt. We're also going to be using eggs. You guys, this is really important. I'm also going to be using flour. I love to use flour just because, but this is completely optional. Next up, we're going to be using all of the spices, you guys, that I saw, and I was like, I'm going to try them out. And it turned out to be really amazing. It added so much spice, so much flavor, so much juice and yumminess to my chicken. We're also going to be using some yellow pepper, some dried ginger powder. We're going to be using some all-ground spice, dry thyme, some curry powder, and of course, some chicken seasoning. So now I have my chicken all properly washed, and then I have my flour and breadcrumbs combination. My breadcrumbs is more than my flour just because I feel like breadcrumbs should be more than your flour, and also I have some eggs already cracked. And now I'm gonna spice all my chicken, my dried ingredients and my wet ingredients with all of the ingredients and spices that I showed you guys that I'll be using. So now we're just gonna stir. I'm not cooking this chicken because it's extremely soft, you guys, and it doesn't take long to cook, so I don't want it like super soft. I just want it just, in between and yummy. So now I have my dry ingredients, and I'm just gonna spice it up as well. I'm moving over to my wet ingredients. We're also going to spice it up with all of the ingredients that we used. You guys, I'm not even measuring all of this just because, the ancestors just tell you when it's enough. So that's why. So now we're just going to keep whisking until it's like all distributed. So now we have all of that, and now we're just gonna bring all of it together and just get straight into the main thing. So now I'll take a piece of chicken, and as you can see, you guys, everything is like, oh my god, so beautiful. We're gonna put in our eggs, and next up move it to our dry ingredients, and then you guys can see how everything is just so yummy already. And then we are going to set it aside, and we'll just keep doing that for all of the chicken. Now I have a hot pot, a hot pan with oil, and this is all of my chicken. I'm just gonna put in all of it into the oil, and you guys are going to cook this, fry this on a low heat, because you already know we didn't pre-cook our chicken, we didn't steam it, we didn't do anything at all. So you want it to cook properly, you want the inside to cook, you want the outside to fry well. You just want everything to be as yummy, as perfect as it can be. And this takes max 20 minutes because the chicken is really soft. Now the other side is like already cooked, already fried. We're just gonna turn this over for the other side, you know, for everything to be all evenly done. And we'll let it fry. Now we're sure that both sides have been cooked, fried, and everything is done. You just take it out of your oil, and next thing is just to serve, you guys. And now our crunchy chicken is done. As you guys can see, everything is done, everything is perfect. I hope you guys really liked this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and put on that notification bell. Bye.